Before you start your practice, I would suggest you look and see if you're a new lawyer and you have no experience, what do you want to do? And how practical is it for you to go into the areas where you want to practice? For example, if you're practicing in New Jersey and you want to be an international attorney, your opportunities are going to be somewhat limited if you're a solo practitioner. However, if you want to practice criminal law, it may be a more doable or achievable goal. If you want to have a general practice and you just want to do a bunch of everything, that's fine. You also will want to evaluate what are the hot topics or the hot areas of law that are up and coming if you want to concentrate in one or more of those areas. And if you're practicing as an attorney already, you may have an area that you focus on already that you feel that you are, if not an expert, well versed in the law and able to provide competent and effective representation to the clients. If you are frightened of speaking in front of others, I would suggest that you not go into litigation, because litigation involves speaking in front of others. You may want to focus on transactional work. You may want to focus on trust and estates work instead. If, on the other hand, you're gregarious, if, on the other hand, you enjoy speaking in front of others, then you may want to go in the litigation field. And the litigation field is trying cases. I consider myself to be a trial lawyer. To me, litigators aren't always people that try cases. I try cases, and I find it fun to try cases. Some people may not enjoy that. You also want to look at, is there a client base that you want to focus on? Is there a specific gender, an age group or community that you want to focus on? You may be bilingual. You may be of, for example, Korean descent, where you are able to speak Korean, and there's a particular community in your hometown or in your county that has an enclave of Korean Americans, and you may want to market to them. You may want to market to people who are of a particular focus. So, for example, they're giving out, not giving out, but you can get an LLM focusing on startup companies if that's what you want to do. And that's another area that you could consider going into if you have that expertise. Also, is there a particular geographic area that you want to focus on, or do you want to focus on the entire state of New Jersey? I have a friend who has a law firm, and I am the lawyer for his law firm, and they have offices throughout the state of New Jersey. And their focus is, we have offices throughout the state, and we can represent you in any of these states, and they communicate via video conference from office to office. Obviously, when you're starting out, it's much more difficult. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to just get in your car and meet people throughout the state if that's what you want to do.